Many local nonprofit organizations have been unable to traditionally hold some of their biggest fundraisers of the year because of COVID-19. Tonight, 23 ABC's Tori Cooper takes a look at how they're finding creative ways around it and how it's impacted their organizations. She's joining us live from Southwest Bakersfield tonight. Tori?
Yeah, Jessica, I'm here at the Kern County Cancer Fund location in Southwest Bakersfield, where each year officials raise hundreds of thousands of dollars for cancer patients to help ensure they can receive the treatment that they need. Now, officials here say that they are expecting to raise significantly less this year due to COVID-19, but the Kern Community Foundation says this is not the only sector of nonprofits in our community that are really feeling the sting from COVID-19. When COVID-19 hit California, traditional fundraising events were wiped off the calendar.
But those fundraisers here in Kern County are the linchpin for so many of our nonprofit organizations. They are the thing that keeps them afloat.
Kern Community Foundation CEO Kristen Beal says she and her colleagues work to connect generous donors, individuals, families, and businesses to energize community members and organizations to help match their charitable interests with our community's needs. But when COVID-19 started to make its mark, the nonprofit organizations that she was connecting others to for support were also now needing support, considering they could no longer fundraise in the traditional way. Beal telling 23 ABC News they had no choice but to get creative to generate fundraising efforts and services.
Many of those nonprofit partners who have really started to think outside the box. We're seeing virtual fundraisers, we're seeing virtual events.
The Kern County Cancer Fund, a local nonprofit that raised over $600,000 for cancer patients and their treatments last year, also feeling the sting from COVID-19. The virus reshaping fundraising efforts like Camp Out Against Cancer that usually generates $400,000 for local patients, now going completely virtual.
And what we found with virtual is that it seems like fun, but people like to gather. People like to come to one place and do something together. And so we're trying to do the best we can in planning for that. But it's just, we know that our fundraising is going to be probably 25% of what we anticipated.
Monthly, they spend around $18,000 for patients, and without fundraising efforts, it's becoming more challenging to meet the need. But Beal says after surveying nearly 130 nonprofits in Kern County, she found they need more than just monetary support.
We need help with our staffing, and they're helping them to understand and embrace a resiliency type of a thought process.
Now, the Kern County Cancer Fund says they will continue their fundraising efforts at a distance as much as possible. They also have a walk-run event coming up in just about 2 weeks from right now. It's $25 to register. We will leave a link on our website, turn23.com, where you can register there. They say that so far 100 people have already signed up, and usually around 800 people sign up. So make sure if you are interested, you head right to our website, as I previously mentioned. But for now, live in Southwest Bakersfield, I'm Tori Cooper for 23 ABC News, connecting you.